What is the difference in quality between Jordans manufactured in Vietnam and China?
Welcome, sneakerheads! Today, we're diving into an interesting discussion regarding the manufacturing quality of Air Jordans, focusing specifically on those produced in Vietnam and China. As many of you may know, Jordans are iconic sneakers from Nike, with a significant reputation and a hefty price tag to match. But does the manufacturing location impact the quality? Let's find out.
Understanding quality in sneakers.
Before we get into the specifics, let's first understand what we mean by quality in the context of sneakers. Generally, it refers to the durability, comfort, materials used, and the precision of the construction. In Jordans, quality can also mean the accuracy of the design, considering they often reproduce classic models.
Jordans manufactured in China.
Air Jordans were initially manufactured in China, and many still are today. The Chinese factories are known for their experienced workforce and precise manufacturing process, having produced Jordans for decades. However, it's important to note that the quality can vary between different batches and models, often due to factors beyond the control of the specific factory, such as budget constraints, deadlines, and design changes.
Jordans manufactured in Vietnam.
In recent years, Nike has expanded its production to Vietnam. While the factories in Vietnam may be newer, they still follow Nike's stringent quality standards. Some consumers have noted that Vietnamese-made Jordans might be slightly more comfortable, potentially due to minor differences in the manufacturing process or the materials sourced locally. However, these differences are generally minimal and may not be noticeable to all consumers.
Does the manufacturing location matter?
In essence, both China and Vietnam are capable of producing high-quality Jordans. Nike ensures that its quality standards are maintained regardless of the production location. Therefore, the location is not a reliable indicator of the overall quality of Jordans. The design, model, and specific production run can have a greater impact on quality than the manufacturing location. So there you have it, folks. While there may be slight differences in Jordans manufactured in Vietnam compared to China, both locations adhere to Nike's high-quality standards. It's more about the model and the production run than the place of manufacture. As always, when it comes to choosing your Jordans, it's all about your personal preference, style, and comfort. Happy sneaker hunting!